I just had to let you know you're
apartment we won't share. I wonder which sad wife lives there. Have the windows deciphered her stairs? Do the bricks in the walls know to hide the affairs? The dog we won't have is now one I would not choose. The daughter we won't raise still waits for you. The girl I won't be is the one that's yours. I hope you shortly find what you long for. 2 years and some change, isn't it strange? You're a full-fledged socialist, I go by a new name. A filthy joke that won't burrow in the corner of your smirking lips. I mourn it to this day. The story we won't tell is my greatest fantasy. The passion I won't feel again isn't lost on me. The son you never wanted is the wound your father left, and the mother I won't be is probably for the best.